For 15 months, COVID has kept the border between the U.S. and Canada closed. Essential workers are among the few allowed to cross, and we met two of them going the extra mile to help the people of Detroit. Nurse Brent Gale's commute typically starts at 6 a.m. and takes him across an international boundary.
When someone here says they were late because of traffic, I'm like, I came from another country.
Gale works at St. Mary Mercy Livonia Hospital in the suburbs of Detroit.
How you doing, brother?
But he lives across the Detroit River in Windsor, Ontario.
We are on Riverside Drive in Windsor, Ontario.
One of at least 1,500 Canadians working in healthcare in Michigan.
They tease and joke that, I'll say something, it'll be a turn of phrase, and then, oh, you're Canadian. So you get that.
You say a boat or something like that?
Apparently I do.
They've risked their lives, especially in the spring of 2020 when COVID raged in the U.S. and there were more daily deaths in Michigan than in all of Canada.
I just remember thinking, what is going on? We're running out of ventilators, everybody needs to be intubated. Yeah.
Lindsay LaFleur is an ER nurse at Detroit's Henry Ford Hospital.
I just remember standing in the middle of the department and just looking around dumbfounded.
Parker said good morning.
At COVID's worst, she had a newborn at home in Ontario.
I was considering whether or not I should even keep my job. So we had her sleeping in a pack and play in our room, and I was sleeping in her room in a tent because I wanted to conceal myself somehow.
So why do you continue to come over the international border to work here in Detroit with COVID patients?
I love the hospital that I work for. I love the people that I work with.
You like Detroiters?
I like Detroiters, yeah.
It's not a border, it's just a line we cross, and I just think it would have been horribly cowardly to abandon my American cousins.
But in Canada, there was some resistance.
There was a call in our local paper to have us, stop being allowed to go back and forth across the border.
How did that feel?
Yeah, not good at all.
Both did contract COVID, but recovered.
Such a handsome nurse. Oh, you're awesome.
And they remain committed as ever.
This is our burning building. This is what we run to and what we've been trained for, our moment to shine.